To navigate the tour, you simply point the cursor in the direction you wish to move and click your left mouse button. To look around the space, click and drag your cursor to rotate your field of view a full 360 degrees. We've built some very useful tools in the front end of the system. In the bottom left hand corner you'll see a measurement tool. Simply click on it and that will allow you to measure any item or any wall or surface in the property. Throughout the tour you'll notice these annotations. These points of interest supply vital information for that particular location in the tour. They can be photos, videos, files or links. The slideshow feature allows you to transport or view the property as an overview. You simply click on the button on the left hand side and then click on one of the images to transport instantaneously to that particular location in the property. There's also an automatic play feature for the slideshow. The 3D dollhouse view allows you to see the property in its entirety as a 3D model. You can rotate it, zoom in, zoom out, and you can also click anywhere on the tour and be transported to that particular location in the tour. In addition to the schematic floor plan that's supplied, we also include an overview floor plan within the tour.